In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the order of products in Shopify. This is really useful if you want certain items to appear first in a collection, highlight new arrivals, or simply organize your store in a more logical way for your customers. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what each option means so you feel confident making these changes on your own. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the section labeled Products and click on it. When that expands, you'll see more options underneath. From there, click on Collections. This is where all the groups of products on your store are managed. You'll now see a list of all your collections. These might be things like new arrivals, sale, or any custom categories you've created. Click on the collection where you want to change the product order. This will open the collection editor for that specific group. Inside the collection editor, scroll down until you reach the products section. This is where all the products included in that collection are listed. At the top of that list, you'll see a sort drop-down box. By default, it might be set to something like best-selling or by product title. Click on that sort drop-down, and from the list of options, choose manually. As soon as you choose manually, you'll notice a small handle appear to the left of each product in the list, usually shown as two horizontal lines or ellipses. These handles allow you to drag and drop items. Hover your cursor over the handle next to a product, click, and then drag it up or down to where you want it to appear in the list. Release your mouse to drop it into its new position. Repeat this for each product until the order matches how you want them to show up on your storefront. If manual sorting isn't what you need, you can always click the sort drop-down again and pick another option instead. For example, you can sort by best-selling items, product title from A to Z, product title from Z to A, highest price, lowest price, and other automatic arrangements. These options are great if you want Shopify to handle the ordering for you based on your chosen rule. One last important detail. You don't need to click a save button for this. Shopify automatically updates the collection as soon as you change the sort option or drag and drop products into a new order. Your new arrangement will be reflected on your live store right away.